హైదరాబాద్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నేషనల్ గేమ్స్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ టోర్నమెంట్ చిరాక్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ షేర్లింగంపల్లి క్యాంపస్లో చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా ప్రారంభమైంది. ఈ ప్రతిష్టాత్మక ఈవెంట్ దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 60కి పైగా జట్లు ప్రదర్శిస్తారు. టీజర్ మరియు క్రీడా స్ఫూర్తికి సంబంధించిన 14 ఏళ్లలో బాలబాలికలు ప్రదర్శనలో పాల్గొంటారు. ఈ టోర్నమెంట్ను మిస్టర్ నార్మన్ ఇసాక్, అలాగే వరల్డ్ టెక్నికల్ డెలిగేట్ మరియు ఫిబా మాజీ కమిషనర్ ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో చిరాకు ప్రిన్సిపల్ శ్రీమతి సంచిత రాహ మాట్లాడుతూ, చిరాక్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్లో విద్యావేత్తల పల్లె క్రీడల అంతర్లీనంగా ఉండే వాదాన్ని సృష్టించడానికి మరియు మేము కట్టుబడి ఉన్నామని వెల్లడించారు. విద్యావేత్తల చెరువుకు మంచి పూర్తి వ్యక్తిగత డ్రైవుల్లో అభివృద్ధి చేయటంపై కూడా మా దృష్టి. ఇది క్రీడల వారి ఇతర పార్టీతర కార్యక్రమాల ద్వారా జట్టు కృషిని మరియు నాయకత్వాన్ని పెంపొందిస్తుంది. షేర్లింగంపల్లి క్యాంపస్ అత్యధిక సౌకర్యాలతో ఉందని అన్నారు. ఇందులో 4 ఎకరాల స్పోర్ట్స్ డెక్తో పాటుగా 5 ఇండోర్ మరియు అవుట్డోర్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ కోర్టులు ప్రపంచ ప్రమాణాలకు అనుగుణంగా ఉన్నాయని కూడా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు వెల్లడించారు.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the much-awaited march past.
Following Samanya International School. Hyderabad. Followed by Guardian International School, Hyderabad. Good to see all the smiling faces. Yes, kids, Educates Pune. School Rajasthan. Parekh International School Mumbai. Followed by Hiranandani Foundation School Mumbai. Accent International School Mumbai. Followed by Neeta Mumbai. Followed by Invention Academy Bangalore. Followed by Radat Al Quran Al Karim Mumbai. And here comes the hosting school, Chirag International School, Hyderabad. Hooray!
So many schools, 53 schools and 120 teams participating. I think this is the biggest ever gathering we had, and it's really a pleasure to see so many young children who could be the future stars of the country. We have a lot to achieve, children, and we need discipline, dedication, determination, and above all, we need to have a lot of self-discipline, because this is very, very important. Winning and losing is something which happens in a game, but I will tell that it is not a loser, it is always a person who loses, learns from what they have to do. You set your goals, you work towards them, but then at times you may not be able to achieve your goals. Work hard, you know where you have to improve your performance. It is only through hard work. Wherever I go, I request the parents and the school managements to support the young children to take up to any sport, because sports inculcates in you a very important thing which is very useful for you as you grow up in your career. It is decision making, because most of you all who are in the under 19 category are on the threshold of taking up new careers, and this is where decision making is very important. Playing sport enables you to take quick decisions. Sometimes decisions may go haywire, but then you have to decide and you have to take certain decisions. Like speed of more than 140, 150 miles per hour. There's only a fraction of a second which enables you to decide what is to be done, whether you go for a shot or whether you defend the ball. So this is where, children, I would request you all to take time out from your busy schedule. Academics definitely does take you places, but then sport enables you to enhance your performance. So with this, I wish all the participants all the very best.
To host the 6th edition of ISSO basketball tournament in our school. This is also an inauguration for our 4.5-acre sports deck, and nothing could have been a better occasion than this for the inauguration. We've had 53 schools participating in this tournament, and there are 125 teams which have come from different parts of the country. What more could we have expected? And we always try to promote sports in a big way in our school. We believe in holistic education, and sports is an integral part of this holistic education. With that in mind, we had created this excellent sports deck and also the sports auditorium, which is an indoor one, so that we are able to have many more matches, many more tournaments, many more facilities in this regard made available to our students. We believe that sports builds resilience, tenacity, teamwork, collaboration, and nothing else can be more, integral as a part of learning than sports. On this note, I would like to thank ISSO for giving us this opportunity to host this tournament here, where we've seen so many schools, so many students coming over to participate in this event. Thank you.
It's really a proud moment for me to be associated with the 6th edition of the ISSO. And first of all, my sincere, heartfelt thanks go out to the management of Chirek International School for providing such a lovely infrastructure, 3 outdoor courts and 2 indoor courts, which hardly any school would have got. And I also congratulate ISSO for taking up this initiative of promoting, nurturing, identifying and bringing forth the talent which is in abundance in our country. Basketball is a game which is very fast-paced, and players really have to work hard to come up to certain standards. And by tapping the grassroots level, ISSO has done the right job in providing the players a platform by which they can showcase their talent, they can decide on their future, because sport and academics are both go along by each other. So by giving an opportunity to these players, the players will realize that they have an important role to play. They have to be determined, they have to be focused, they have to be disciplined, because this is the most important part in any sport. And they take back good memories, because sport never brings down a person, it only enables a person to learn from failures. Learning is the first step where a child can really develop into a proper person in future, because unless and until they face challenges in life, they will not be able to set proper goals for them and work towards those goals. So it's really a pleasure to have more than 53 schools participating in this mega event here. 122 teams participating in 4 categories: the under-19 boys and girls, the under-14 boys and girls. And really, once again, my sincere thanks on behalf of the basketball fraternity in India to Chirek International School and ISSO for coming forward in hosting this event. And we do hope that this event will continue to grow more and bring in more players, so that they would be partners in progress to take this game forward. Wishing all the participants the very best, and may the best team win.